Hi everyone, Tim here, broker owner with the Plan Advisor. This is going to be just a really brief video. I keep getting a ton of questions about these safe money products that we've been talking about on the radio. Essentially what these products are and how they work is these are mostly annuities, which an annuity is nothing more than a contract with an insurance company. Sometimes these also include indexed universal life, which is another thing that we can talk about. But basically what these are protections against market losses. Now with annuities in particular, annuities give you a bunch of different benefits. So if the market goes down, whatever you put in, essentially these products look every 12 months. So it's going to take, if you put in $100,000 right now, in 12 months it's going to look again. And if the market has gone down, you're going to stay right at that $100,000 because you're completely protected against any market losses. You don't ever have to worry about that. So your chart is never going to go down from market losses. If the market has gone up, you get a percentage of that gain, and that's called a participation rate. And that's nothing more than just a percentage of the gain. So yes, you're giving up a little bit on the upside, but you're completely taking away the downside. That's the big benefit as far as the safe money. But then once you start digging into these products, there's so much more to them than that. For example, these products have something called a lifetime income. And what I mean by that is it's an income that you cannot outlive. So let's say you had a nest egg, and we'll just make it easy, say it's $100,000, and you're going to start pulling in income, let's just say at age 68. Well, at some point, if you're pulling income out of $100,000, that $100,000 is going to be gone. Well, if we set this up with an insurance company through an annuity, then they can guarantee you a lifetime income no matter how long you live. So you never have to worry about your income going away. That's number one. Number two, we can tie this in with long-term care insurance. And it's a really great product. It's much easier to qualify for than traditional long-term care insurance, and it's also a lot more cost-effective than regular long-term care insurance. So there's so many different things. Essentially what we need to do is we need to look at each individual case, figure out where you're looking to go, what you're looking to do, and what products that we have that might fit. Good chance it might be an annuity, it might be an index universal life, it might not be either one of those things. But you need to figure out what you're going to do to protect your retirement because you worked your whole life for it, or you're still working for it now. You need to protect it so something doesn't happen and the market go way down and you lose a ton in one day. I mean, it's happened. It's happened to people in my family. You need to protect yourself against that, still give yourself the ability to make a really good return if the market does do good, whether it's right now or in the future, plus get yourself that income that you cannot outlive. There can also be survivorship rights to that. That's other things we can talk about. And then also the long-term care that we can tie into that. When you put all of this together, it's a very strong product, and it's one that I think more and more people should start looking at. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can chat right here. There's a chat box, or you can right over here set an appointment. Just get in touch with us however you'd like, or you can call right now at 423-262-7919. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and set up a time where we can look and figure out where you're trying to go, how we can help you get there. One more thing that we do real quick, if you already have an annuity, the newer annuities are so much better than some of the ones that were out even just a few years ago, and we do something called an annuity checkup. All we need essentially is we can get a copy of your current statement. We can look and see if there's a better program out there that has less fees, higher participation rate, more benefits, all these kind of things. No charge, no obligation, nothing changes. We're just looking so you know what's available. So that's available too. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're here for you, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Take care.